All right, boys, my country cousin. I know it's been a while, but the federal government give us all plenty of time to check out the woods, so here we are. Now, I've heard people say that ramps don't grow in eastern Kentucky, and I'm here to tell you that's wrong, because right here they are. Here, they're considered a wild leek or a wild garlic or a wild onion, whatever you want to talk about. They're not like chives or what have you, but they do grow a bulb, and they can be a cross between garlic and onions. Some people eat the leaves. Some folks eat the bulb, but you really can eat the whole thing. And this is what it is. It's a ramp. And in West Virginia, they have a festival, Ramps and Rainbows, where they catch trout. But over here in eastern Kentucky, we don't have no festivals. People swear they don't grow here, but if you get out and hunt around, they do. This here's what it looks like. It don't really have a pointed tip. It's kindly pointed, but it's more of a round, and you need to see that red right there on the stem. Let me tell you something. You take a bite of it, you know you found the right thing. Now we're going to make some dinner with them after a while, and we'll show you that here in a minute. All right, guys, I brought the ramps home. Here's what they look like. Right here's a whole one. And this is what I did, is I just kind of chopped a couple of them up, and I'm going to use it in place of a green onion. Thing I did was I fried some hamburger, and I've got a little dirty rice mix from the local grocery store here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these ramps in there. That's it. This is going to be our dinner. I've already cooked it. So I'm going to take the ones I've already cut up. They're going to go in to the dirty rice. I'm going to stir it up, and we're going to let you know how that goes. Due to social distancing, we're not going to really have a taste test tonight, but what I did do is I did make some sweet corn muffins. I know, it ain't cornbread. Don't nobody get mad at me. They're sweet, but this is a pretty hot mix. It's dirty rice. That's why there's a little dollop of sour cream in it. But the ramps really do go good in it, and everybody really enjoyed it for dinner, and I hope y'all do too if you try it. Thanks. Hey, cousins, I just want to say, if you come across a patch, please be respectful. The reason I picked any bulbs is I'm going to replant those at the house. Generally, what you're supposed to do is just take one leaf off of each plant. That's more than enough to season whatever you got going on, just one leaf. And you see, I've got thousands and thousands here, but I want to leave some for the next man. And y'all should do the same. Respect where you at. Thank you. My country cousin, boys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And comment on them.
And share them too.
And like them too.
Perfect!
This legit.
For you.